Alright people, Augie here, Switchback Trading, and FOMO'd into a trade, shouldn't have. I missed the entry at the 25%, I wasn't paying attention, wasn't here. And then I jumped in at the 50. So, the 50 is normally where we TP1. So the ideal situation would have been get in here when it first came up, right? Long. Took profit, came back here. You could have re-entered at the 25%. This is the 25% retracement level, reversal level, and then yeah, you could have took profit at 50% again. So I'm going to get out at the 75% because I FOMO'd in, and yeah, it's not ideal, right? Because I got to put my stop now at the 25% to make it equal, right? Like a one to one RR, and then 750, and it could easily come back down to the 25%. You know what I mean? It's can wick down even. So hopefully I can get tagged out here. Why didn't I get filled? That just wicked above my. What is going on, dude? Something. That wicked and I didn't get filled, right? I didn't put the trade in after, did I? I don't know. I might have. What? Did I? I don't fucking go. Yeah, baby. That's what I like to see. So how long was that? Fuck, I don't know. It wasn't very long. I like it. 750 bucks. Okay. Yeah. Switchback trading model delivers again. So yeah, till the next one. Laters. Yeah, continuation video, right? Okay, so I exited prematurely, right? Because I got in late. So that shows how important it is to get the proper fill, right? Because what happened, I got out at the 75, I took the money and ran, but it went up to the 100% retracement, you know? So that was the ultimate TP4, sorry, TP3. TP3 hit, well, because we got in at TP1, that it mucked up the whole trade basically, you know? So, but it's interesting to see how it hit the target, and then if you did have a fourth runner in case it shot up, you would have needed to bring that to break even, so you wouldn't go negative, you know, not to let the winning trade turn negative. All right, till the next setup.